don't put no crushed ice in my soda.
I lost my voice.
Got it stuck like a hoooolster. It's a gun in my holster.
Man, what is good with y'all? It's your boy OG from the Woe Clan, and we're back with another video. And today we are reacting to Lil Yachty. And I got my ice in my soda. And I got in my holster.
Man, what?
Anyway, man, y'all already know what it is. I think y'all already, if y'all haven't seen or heard the snippet by now, I mean, this is like one of his like signature sounds that I fell in love with. You know what I'm saying? With the polling, everybody love the polling. And so when I heard the holster one or the strike one, I'm like, hold on, he should really like throw that out like every once in a while. Let's throw a song like that has that same vibe. And so this is one of those vibes. So I'm gonna start wasting y'all time and let's get straight to it.
Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the
What kind of hat is that?
I'm not gonna work.
What is that? Yachty do not drink lean, bruh. He does he drink lean? I don't think Yachty does drugs. Like I don't. He keeps throwing his lean stuff. I don't know if he does that for real. But that hat is tough. That's like some 90s. You feel me? Like I think I seen Tupac wear something like this, where it's like a sock hat type of thing. You know what I'm saying? That's hard. That's hard.
I'm not gonna work. Strike. You know that shit on real when you heard it. You know that guy ain't sip on drink till it's early. All of this Bottega shit I shopped at Burlington. Drink man had cracked the seal. I begged him to sell it to me.
Maybe he do be drinking.
This shit ain't nothing. I switched the coupe.
It's the second song where he like talking about lean.
He can't play me bank. I switch out whips like they switch out shoes.
Yeah, it's us. I'm liking the visuals. It's some clean visuals. I like the colors. I like the tone of it. It's like a nice, what do you call it, man? I wish I'm like great with the term. I'm not good with terms, but like I love the tone. I love the tone. What is he wearing right now? See what Yachty slept on for his like style. Yachty got style. Like look at the drip right now. Look at this little raincoat, like plastic bag type thing with the jacket, man. It's tough.
Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, slide. Shoulder, shoulder. Stack them all hundreds, recreate Yoda.
Here you go, here.
I don't put no crushed ice in my soda.
I lost my voice.
Got it stuck like a hoooolster. It's a gun in my holster. New Yachty and over. 220. It's a phone in my soda.
Wait, gotta bring it back. Gotta bring it back. This time I'm not gonna interrupt. Oh, that's his sister? That's the girl that did it. She did the little sneak peek. One time.
Perky got it stuck like a hoooolster. It's a gun in my holster. New Yachty and over. 220. It's a phone in my soda. Sit on a Balenci Costa. Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking.
I ain't need to see all that.
I was high as fuck.
Yachty, I ain't need to see all that, bro. Keep your tongue in, man, bro. Come on.
Tweaking. I was trying to strike shit. I was trying to strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike.
If I sound weird, I lost my voice a little bit, so my bad, you know. Man, Cole Bennett been active recently.
I put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a hole.
That's tough. That's tough. See, he got to keep making. I ain't gonna lie. Like the album he dropped, I'm gonna keep it a stack, right? Maybe it just hasn't grown on me. I was, when albums drop. All right, so maybe this hasn't grown on me, but I drive to work. I drive like an hour to work, like 40 minutes to an hour to work, and so when albums drop, that's my time to listen to it. So when I'm driving, I play his album, and I was like, you know what I'm saying, like it's there, but then it's like maybe it's just not my taste, and I think that's okay. I don't want nobody thinking I'm hating. It's just not my taste of music. I just couldn't really groove with it. I couldn't really get into it. And that's not saying it's bad. I just couldn't. I couldn't get into it. Now there was a couple songs on there that I like. I think it was it Pretty and some other stuff. Like there's a couple other songs, but the whole album like that, it was tough. It was tough. I know he's trying to experiment, but what I really want to start hearing from Yachty, and again, he's his own man. He's a creator. That right there. Not every time, but like once in a blue moon, just bring me something like that. Oh, bro, bring me something like that every time. It's your boy Ochi, that's my reaction to Lil Yachty Strike. Strike, strike, strike. And I'm out.